I find this challenging.
What do you find challenging, Lorna?
Log 8 base x
Just a minute. You are saying log 8 base x minus
log 16 base x
log 16 base x.
squared.
Oh, x squared. The base is squared.
Yes.
Okay.
Is equal to 1.
This is equal to 1. This is indeed challenging because you can see that this side the base is x, the other side the base is x squared. So I want to agree with you first of all that it is indeed challenging. But after this it will not be challenging because you want to demystify certain facts. It should be noted or remembered that whenever you have, say, log a base b raised to power n, if the base of the log is raised to a given power, that can be equated to the reciprocal of the power. So the reciprocal of n is 1 over n, then you just write the log. So n log a base b. You can see that that particular concept is going to assist us here. Therefore, we can have log 8 base x minus 1 over 2 log 16 base x. We proceed by now having log 2 raised to power 3. That is 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. Of course, the base is still x. You subtract a half log 2 raised to power 4. The base is still x. 16 can be written as 2 raised to power 4. The third law of indices says that whenever a log is raised to a given power, you can drop that power. And therefore, we can have 3 log 2 base x minus 1 over 2 times 4 log 2 base x. Of course, all of them should be equated to 1. You need not to forget that it was equated to 1. Of course, you can see that if I have a half times 4, this itself gives me 2, all right? So I have 3 log 2 base x minus 2 log 2 base x is like having a 3 minus 2. That gives me 1. You don't have to write that. So this can be written as log 2 base x, of course, being 1. That is 3 minus 2 is 1. And don't have to write that. You just indicate log. So it's log 2 base x. And that gives you 1. Lorna, it should be noted that this is called logarithmic notation. Of course, you can get it in index notation. In that case, you start by the base. So we'll have x raised to power 1 gives us 2. The value required is x being 2. Are you assisted, learner?
Yes, indeed. But the only sir in East, Central, and West of Africa.
I thank you, Lorna.